Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment about this project. Today is day 4. During today's cleanup, you're going to see that we found bags and bags of more clothes in a closet. We are going to be loading the dump. We got a 30-yard dump in the back of the building, and we're going to be loading that up with trash that we've accumulated. I found some antique treasures that I want you to look at. One I could not believe behind the stage. I hope you enjoy seeing them. Comment and let me know what you think about them. I also found some wallpaper in the building, and I am storing that to sell. Again, thank you so much for stopping by today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on our project. And I hope you stay tuned and watch the next video. Bye.